Hello everyone, welcome back to Marketing Solution. Today I am going to show you how to track how far down visitor scroll on your website. For this we will use Google Tag Manager and send that data to Google Analytics 4. This is super useful if you want to see how engaged people are with your content. So the question is, why track scroll depth? Scroll tracking basically tells you how much your content people are actually seeing. Are they scrolling half of the page, like half of the page, or full of the page? Knowing this can help you understand if your content is keeping their attention, and it can help you make changes if people are dropping off early, right? Alright, let's jump in. First, we are going to set up scroll tracking in Google Tag Manager. Then we will debug it, and final we will check on our Google Analytics 4. So let's log into our Google Tag Manager. I already log into my Tag Manager account. From here, what we have to do, first we are going variable section, and we have to enable built-in variable. It's called scrolling. So this is built-in variables, and there is another is user defined variables. So we have to enable the built-in variable. It's called scrolling. So I just click on configuration, and if I scroll down, um, yeah, this scrolling depth, these three option we have to tick mark, right? Okay, sorry. So now I will go trigger section. So from trigger, what I will do, I will create a new trigger. So I click on new, and I will select this one, user engagement scroll depth, this one. Okay, and from here what we have to do, we want to select how vertically scroll, right? How user scroll vertically. So we will select the vertical scroll depth, and here we can use percentage as well as we can use pixel. So we will use percentages, like we can track the user uh, scroll down to 25% or 30%, 50%, 75%, 90%, 100%, whatever we want. So we can use just comma and it will take percentage. So what we will do, we will use 25%, then 50%, 75%, and 100%. Yeah, and the trigger fires on all pages. So when the user goes to from home page to about us page, we can also track how much they scroll down. Also we can check the blog for this kind of website, B2B or B2C website, service oriented website. We use this scrolling method. This is very much important. We can understand how our content is. Like this is a blog post, so we can easily understand the user is reading full post or just scroll down to 55% of the content. We can easily track this. So okay, for this is done. So we can save it, or we can give a name. It can be GA4. I just give a name GA4 is called depth trigger. Okay, and save it. Now what we will do, we will go to text section. From text section uh, we'll create a new tag configuration. It will be equal analytics, and it will be Google Analytics GA4 events. So we have to give a measurement ID. So what is measurement ID? Hope you know. From Google Analytics we get the measurement ID. So let's log into our analytics. From admin panel, if we go to data stream, then this is the measurement ID. This is our measurement ID. We can use this here directly, or we can use variable. We already use a variable. Its name is GA4 measurement ID techniques. So I just use this. And event name, we can use any kind of event name. This is a custom event, so we will use this. Scroll, and we will pass parameter. Just a single parameter we can pass. It can be we can check how much they scroll, right? So we will pass a parameter it call percent scrolled, and what we will use as a value. It can be built-in variable, like scroll depth throughout, this one threshold, right? So then we will triggering should be GA4 scroll depth trigger. That's it. Okay, now let's save it, and it can be GA4 scroll depth tag, and we save it. Okay, that's all. Now if we preview it, and this is connected. So if I scroll down, so see here, scroll depth is trigger, scroll depth is trigger scrolls. So if I go to variable section, and we can see here, this is 90% is triggered. Okay. And there is another thing, in GA4 we use enhanced measurement. So from the enhanced measurement section, if we go to the setting section, and we have to uncheck this scrolls capture scroll event each time a visitor gets to the bottom of a page. So we have to uncheck it and save it. Okay, now yeah, this 75% scroll, 50% scroll, 25%, this 100%, right? All the thing we get. Like if I go to another page called our blog page, so blog is triggered. So if I scroll down, so I am scrolling down, so see scroll depth, this one 25% here, 25%, this 50%, then 75%, and 100%. Yeah, right. Okay, this is how we can track user scrolling percentage in GA4 using Google Tag Manager, and we can check it here from the report option. Report to engagement and events. All the events we will see here, like we give the name is called scroll, So this is previous scroll event, like our enhanced measurement scroll is 90%, is that 90% data is here, but now the Google Tag Manager will pass the data to GA4 and it will count. Yeah, that's all from today.